You could save a ton of money shopping here at Dollar Tree, and high-end brands don't want you to know. Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game over the last couple of months. They've been coming out with so many dupes. Let me show you what you need to pick up right now. On Amazon, one of the most popular items is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Here at Dollar Tree, they have a dupe in so many different colors. This is only $1.25. They come in lavender honey, lemon sorbet, vanilla rose, peach cobbler, and sweet mint. I have been looking for this dupe every time I go to Dollar Tree. Haven't been able to find it until now. These are dupes for the Vaseline Balm Stick. These are great. If you've never used them, they're great for, your makeup. You could also use them for flyaways on your hair. Now, the thing I like to do with these is I will keep one of these in my car, and then in the winter when my hands are really dry and my knuckle area, I will just add a little bit to the top of my knuckles. Now, we have been looking for these Touchland hand sanitizer dupes for so many months now. We finally found them. They're still really hard to find at your store. So if you spot any of these hand sanitizers, you want to pick them up. But one that may be a little bit easier for you to find at your store is a dupe for Bath & Body Works. This is what they look like. They come in 3 different scents. They have the green apple. They also have this one that's lemon and watermelon. They also have it in a little travel pin that would fit nicely in your purse. The dupes keep getting better and better. There's a product at Target called Maui Moisture. You can get it here at Dollar Tree now for just $1.25, and they have it in 4 different scents. Each one has a different purpose. This one is to restore and thicken. They have one that's going to hydrate. They have one for curly hair, and this one is to strengthen. All right, this has to be my favorite item in today's video. The vanity organization has gotten so good. I have to show you all the new items that Dollar Tree has out. They came out with 4 different makeup brush organizers, but you can use these for so many different things. You guys, these would be perfect in our crafts. You have these 2 that are similar in the black and white. You also have this white one and then this one, but it gets even better. I'm sorry, how gorgeous are these fluted green containers? They have a gold lid. So pretty. But wait, it gets even better. Bamboo lids. Are you kidding me? These acrylic organizers, these are actually stuck together. That's $1.25. And then they also have this little one for Q-tips. I spotted a dupe for the Amazon Welly First Aid Kits. Now, those are really expensive on Amazon. Here, they're just $1.25. If you've never seen these before, they're a metal tin. They come in all these cute colors. Let me show you what's inside. I feel like these are great to keep in your car. It has all the Band-Aids that you would need, all these fun Band-Aids. Like, I just think these are absolutely adorable. You have 2 different sizes, actually 3 different sizes, and it also comes with some tape. So I think these are adorable, and they would be great for putting in a gym bag, backpack, or your car. I just found the cutest thing ever. These Band-Aids are in cute little shapes. How adorable are these? One thing I've been seeing online is people have been saying that these dishwasher packs that have 35 in them look like Cascade. When I open it up, they look very similar. So let's take them home and compare. Let's compare the 2. We have our Dollar Tree pods. These are also the Cascade pods. This is pretty unreal. If you look at both of these, they practically look the same. I don't know how there's this big price difference. Now, they may work differently, but I'm definitely gonna be using these. If you're going on a trip, do not skip the travel section. I found these 2 travel size shampoo and conditioner by the brand Monday. This brand we just saw at Costco. This Brazilian Mist Power Stick Spray has gone so viral. Dollar Tree has listened and they gave us a whole entire line of items. Let me show you what they came out with. Now, if you don't remember this spray is supposed to be a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro 62. It's supposed to smell similar to that. But they also came out with all these other items. You can get a deodorant. They also have the Brazilian Mist Shower Gel, a post-shave cream, and a non-foaming shave gel. And we found a leave-in conditioner. Now, we have not tried any of these, but one thing I heard was they have a new scent called Sandalwoods. Several people said online that the Sandalwood smell lasts longer than the Brazilian Mist. I would love to know if you've tried any of these products and what you think of them. Wow, this bamboo lint roller is such a good deal. 120 sheets, $1.25. Look at how much more it would be on Amazon. this lint roller seems to be a great deal. You have this strong bamboo handle, and this sure isn't super dirty, but it looks like it would pick up pretty well any dirt. Let's see how well you can take the sheets off, because I always feel like that's something I struggle with. It looks like the sheets come off fairly easy. You're gonna be able to save so much money organizing your car here at Dollar Tree. Now, these are items that I have bought on Amazon. First of all, I have one of these from Amazon. This is a car trunk organizer. These are great, especially if you have a car where you put your seats down. All of your bags tend to roll around. You can keep everything organized in one of these. I'm really excited for this car organizer. Now, I will say it's pretty large, so it's gonna fit a lot of items in there. It's definitely not as sturdy as the one I have off of Amazon, but it's less expensive. So let's put it in my car. Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed in the trunk organizer. If you were needing something quick, it could work, but it's a lot flimsier than my Amazon one, and I know it's not gonna last as long, so I'll probably stick with the Amazon one. Now, some other things that I'm so excited to pick up, this right here, this is a dual cup holder. I wanted to buy one of these on Amazon, and when I clicked on it, it was so expensive. I was like, no, I'm not getting that. But this one, $5. I really hope this works because I've been wanting to get the one off of Amazon. In my front seat, there's only 2 cup holders, and there never seems to be enough room. So something I'm kind of bummed about is you cannot put a 40-ounce tumbler in here. You can put in something small, like I have this little Celsius can, that will fit in here, but up here, this is supposed to be expandable, and then when I go to put my cup in there, it's just gonna fall over. So maybe I don't have the right cup holder. Even when I put another small can in there, it still kind of topples over. So I'm super bummed, but I think honestly for me, this one's a fail. I also do not like to spend a lot of money on these back seat organizers. I feel like they kind of fall apart and they only last a year or two. So these are great and you only have to spend $5. Okay, would you guys use this? This is a steering wheel tray. Let me know down in the comments. This is gonna be the item everybody's looking for. I found these wood trays with beads around them. You have one that's in a circle with darker wood, and then you have this other shape, a little bit lighter wood. We could do so much with these. I also found this tray. It had several different designs on top, but we could do so much with it. It has some beads on the bottom, or you could keep it the way it is. Have you tried the BioPure antibacterial wipes? I have tried them, have been really impressed. Now, before I had like a green container of these, they've come out with some new scents. This one is Citrus Grove and this one's Lilac. These are perfect to have in your kitchen. Another thing that I found are these BioPure singles. These are great for putting like in your purse, your kid's backpack, so you always have an antibacterial wipe with you. They also have a travel one that you could put in your car, a diaper bag. So I love this line and love that it's $1.25. There's so many good deals over here in the cleaning section. Have you guys tried this awesome stain remover? If you have stains in your clothes, this does a great job of removing them. It comes in a spray, or you can get the larger refill bottle. You can get a stain remover pen in this little kit. It also comes with travel wipes. You guys will have to let me know if you've tried laundry detergent sheets. Now, on Amazon, they're way more expensive. I have not tried them before. I'm excited to give them a try. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. I just found a pack of 3 silicone straws with a cleaning brush. It comes in 2 different colors, so you can get whatever color works for you. Every year after the holidays, I love decorating for my home. I want to show you the items I'm picking up at Dollar Tree so you can look for them too, so you can craft along with me. For all my friends who have a Cricut, here's how much the Cricut mat costs. We found a dupe here at Dollar Tree. Now they may have more varieties, but I only spotted 2. They have a fabric grip 12x12 mat, this pink one. They also have the strong grip one in 12x12. You could save a lot of money getting these. Have you tried one of these glue gun mats? I have never seen this before, but I'm gonna be getting it because I always get glue whenever we're DIYing in the kitchen all over my kitchen countertop. So this will be a great little mat that I can roll out, put underneath my glue gun. I like how small this glue gun mat rolls up. So it's not gonna take up a ton of room. Let's see though how big it is. Honestly, the perfect size for my glue gun. Save money with your air fryer liners and pick them up here at Dollar Tree. They have the larger ones and the smaller ones. This is a pack of 15 and they have a pack of 20. I'm also excited to see these. These are slow cooker liners. They come in a pack of 3. I buy these every year when I'm making a lot in my crock pot. How can you get an ice roller here at Dollar Tree for just $1.25? I have spent way more on these on Amazon. Now, if you've never used an ice roller before, essentially you put this in your freezer and anytime you're feeling puffy in the face, you can just roll this all over your face. Bam Bones is a brand on Amazon that they have here at Dollar Tree. These are little dog chewing toys.
So I don't think he's using it the way he's supposed to, but he's having fun and I think he likes it.
What new makeup items should you be on the lookout for? Well, the first one I spotted is this Glossier dupe. This comes in 3 different scents. I decided to pick up the blueberry pie. These are scented lip balms. Here's a tip at Dollar Tree. No matter where you're at in the store, keep your eye out for organization. I just spotted these. Now, these are supposed to be for makeup brushes, but you could use these to organize so many things around your house. I've never seen a lip scrub here at Dollar Tree until now. This is one, it's called a peach and honey lip scrub. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this next item, but I found a lip contour kit. It comes with your lip pencil and gloss. Let's try it out.
We're gonna try the lip liner first and then we'll go in with the gloss. This is what it looks like in the packaging. Now I do have a little bit of lipstick on from earlier. I definitely like the nude color. This is very similar to a nude color that I use. So the lip pencil is a plus for me. Let's see what we think of the gloss. Okay, for me, I feel like the gloss isn't my color. It's very nude and it is matte. It goes on nicely though, so I probably won't use the gloss, but I will use the lip pencil.
Is this hand soap new? I don't know if I've seen it before. It comes in 2 different scents, eucalyptus and it has a lavender. It's 16 ounces. Let me know if you've tried it and if you like it. I'm gonna be picking up some of this liquid eyeliner. They have it in black and brown. I've been trying to wear brown lately. I switched from black to brown. Don't know if you guys can notice, but I'm gonna try out this liquid eyeliner. This is a great find. I just found a stand-up mirror, $1.25 over here in the beauty section. It comes in a variety of colors too. How is this bag here at Dollar Tree for just $1.25? This is a great little toiletry bag. I'm gonna pick up the one in pink, but it comes in a ton of colors. You can get black. There's also like a light violet color and pink. If you love shopping the deals, make sure you're following me where I post all the deals over on socials at Liz Fenwick Deals. I have a Facebook group called Liz Fenwick Deals, and I also have an Instagram, same name, Liz Fenwick Deals. Here's some new food items you might want to pick up. I thought these were so cute. This little forest fruit jam container, adorable lid. This one is strawberry vanilla jam. And then this one is a hot pepper peach jam. And this drizzled popcorn, it's in a peppermint crunch. The bath items have exploded here. I mean, look at all of these different bath bombs and soaks that you can get. Now, this was one that caught my eye, I think because it had some fun scents. These are bath soaks. Now, something like this would be so much more on Amazon. This one comes in chocolate cake or peachy keen. Bluey is so popular right now. They have a colorful bath bomb. Be on the lookout for new fun bath bombs. This one is cinnamon toast. They also have one called wildflowers. Dollar Tree has several $5 toy options. This little truck carrier caught my eye. You can put all of your different Matchbox cars in here. There's also a tea set. I think this little doctor play set is great. And there's a tool set. I never leave Dollar Tree without looking in this section over here, the hair section. Now, if you use any of these rubber bands in your hair or in your little girl's hair, you really don't want to pull them out. So you can cut them out, but there's a tool here that I saw online that I was hoping to find. It's here. This is a little cutter tool that's perfect for taking out these tiny rubber bands. This will help to not break or damage your hair. These elastics are dupes for Lululemon hair ties. They come in the fun patterns. Dollar Tree is really expanding their floss pick line. Do not buy them anywhere but here. A new one that I hadn't seen before are these Grin Clean Between picks. These are great for braces. don't spend more than $1.25 on large totes. You can buy them here at Dollar Tree, and they come in several different styles. If you have a Costco in your area, here's something I would probably pass on this time of year here at Dollar Tree. They have a set of the black velvet hangers. They're $5 and you get 15 in the pack. So 2 of these, 30 hangers for $10. Well, at Costco, you can get 50 hangers for $10. So that's definitely a better deal. The Dollar Tree Plus baskets are getting better this year. This one is $5, a pretty big size, and I love the look of it. I'm seeing several great dupes for candle holders from Pottery Barn and Anthropologie. This one, a definite Pottery Barn dupe. We're gonna be picking this up for a DIY. A couple of Anthropologie ones. This one is new this year and so good, you guys. How adorable is this candle holder? I also really like these. You could do a lot with these. Use them as a candle holder. You could use them as a base for a tray. They come in black and white. I always like to see what's new over here in the hardware section. These are hand sanding blocks. These are great to sand different projects, and I love that it already comes together for $1.25. We just spotted a new item here at Dollar Tree. These are little signs. They come with paper letters on the back. They have them in a light wood. They also have a gray one, and there's a black color. For your kiddos, they have these cute little ones that come in a star, and they could write different things on there, and there's a heart. If you like crock charms, you can get them here at Dollar Tree. No one wants to spend a lot of money on a juicer. This one is just $1.25. Did you know that the Dollar Tree sells Disney items? Dermacell has a more extensive line here at Dollar Tree. You can get facial cleansers as well as different varieties in body lotion. Let me know what you're gonna be picking up the next time you're shopping at Dollar Tree. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.